crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another clean with me. In today's video we will be cleaning out our bedroom and our bathroom. This has become the catch-all for the last couple of weeks. We are remodeling our kids' bathroom and that has taken us time because I work and so does my husband, and there are certain things that I can't do that he has to fix. So also, since all the stores are closed, there's things that I can't get yet. I have to wait, and Amazon doesn't have exactly what I'm looking for, so I cannot wait until TJ Maxx and Home Goods open up because that is where I want to go. Or I don't know if you guys have an at-home store. That is another place that I'm trying to find a round mirror, and Home Depot doesn't have any, Walmart doesn't have any, or at least any that I like and I think that look really pretty. So we're waiting on that, but other than that, we've come along in that bathroom quite nicely. And I cannot wait to show you the end result because it is a complete change. I redid everything, painted doors. We spray painted the doorknobs, which that wasn't an idea that my husband wanted to do, but I decided we're going to do this on a budget, and it turned out quite nicely, I should say. But like I said, in today's video, we're just taking care of our bedroom because it has become a catch-all, and so has my closet, but that is another story in itself. So right here, I thought that I had fixed my husband's problem here with all his chargers. A couple of videos, a few videos, and I forget how long ago, I decided to put his power strip behind the nightstand. That didn't work. Here I was trying to figure out how I was going to do it, so I ended up getting two of the bigger command hooks, and I ended up putting it right on the side of our bed right there where you can see, but also the arrow is pointing to my comforter. I had left that up the whole entire time I cleaned, and I only noticed it when I went ahead and did the tour of the bedroom once I finished cleaning. That was so funny. The whole entire time I'm like, how did I not see that? I don't know. But I ended up putting his power strip on the side of the bed, and it is working amazing. I love it. It's out of the way. All those wires and chargers or whatever he has there, it was just, it was too much for me every single time I went on that side of the room. But here, you guys, I fought with this filing cabinet. I fought with this desk. I fought with the printer. I was trying to rearrange here because I'm so sick of that glass table right there. I'm trying to get rid of it. I have this little small filing cabinet, and I thought I was going to put the printer on top of that, but that didn't work. So I ended up putting the printer on top of the desk and moving everything else out of the way, and I love it. I am currently sitting at the desk right now doing this voiceover, and I have so much space. I just love it.
And you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark,
Alright, and here I am just throwing in some laundry, and I decided to use these little game boosters that I got at Sam's Club. They always have like little samples, and I kid you not, I have had that in one of my purses for over a year. Over a year, you guys. That is crazy, but I found it and I was like, let me use it. I didn't use it on my clothes just because I know that I'm super sensitive, so I went ahead and threw it in with my husband's clothes.
Emptied out my soul. You've heard it all before. Honest, but I know. Left these years ago. I was young and almost still could fill the void. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done, what do we do to love? 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 When everything's said and done. To become a better man, sinking in the sand. We don't need the past in our lives for tomorrow. Never see the end of the night filled with sorrow. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love? What do we do to love? What do we do to love? When everything's said and done. What do we do to love?
Alright guys, here is a desk that my husband and I built together. We found the plans online and they're free plans, and my husband just tweaked it a little bit, but I promise you all the materials were under $50. I think it was actually $49 and some change, but with taxes, of course, it will be more than 50. I think it was like 54. I'm not sure. Taxes in Alabama are like 10%, so I don't know. You guys do the math there. But of course, now if you don't have other materials like drills and saws and things like that, well then yes, it might cost you a little more, or if you know anybody that has those types of materials, that will be helpful. But as far as just these materials for the desk itself, they were under 50, and I have been looking for a desk on the Facebook marketplace, and I don't know, my husband decided to let's go ahead and build one, and I love this. It's very rustic looking. I am thinking right now the bottom is white, but I am thinking of distressing it just to make it look a little less clean, because I feel like the white pops very, like it's very loud and it's very clean looking, and I want it to have like that rustic look. So I might end up distressing it. I will let you guys know, or I will show you in another video, but I'm so in love with that desk.
Let it go and be free. Won't you come and breathe the open skies? Come now, come listen to the melody. Slow it down, put yourself at ease. Time to live it light. Get away from the do's and don'ts. Get away, don't let it close.
Y'all, I picked up these pink microfiber cloths off of Amazon. It was $24 in a pack, and I think it was about $12. I just love them. They're pink, my favorite color. I cannot wait to reorganize my laundry room with these. I'm so happy I got these. But here's a quick rundown or a little tour of the bedroom and the bathroom. So everything on the desk my husband has to go through because I did not know what he wanted to do with all that. And then here you'll see my little comforter sticking up that I go ahead and fix. But the power strip, I'm so loving this, you guys. It's on there, it's perfect. My husband can reach it just fine, there's no problems, and all those charger wires are out of my way when I am cleaning, so I love it. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new, do not forget to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you join my YouTube journey. All right guys, I'll see you in my next one.
Get away, don't let it close. Loco, loco, paraíso, come and